everyone. Before we start the video, I just wanted a disclaimer that this is not financial advice. This is merely my opinion. Please consult with a tax professional and financial advisor before making any investment and or trade. I will never personally reach out in the comments to ask for any kind of personal information, crypto trade, or anything from WhatsApp. Please avoid these scams and please report them if necessary. I will do my best to remove them for you. Thank you and happy investing. Hello everyone, welcome to Atlas Alts, my first YouTube channel, my first YouTube video. Today we're going to be going over how to add an ERC-20 token into our MEW wallet. Sometimes when you send it to your Ethereum address, it doesn't always show up in the overview, so today we're going to show you how to manually do that. So you're going to go over to etherscan.io, you're going to search in the token. For today we're going to use Uniswap as an example. And you're going to see a token contract come up on the right hand side. So you're going to copy that address, you're going to bring it back to MEW wallet, and you're going to add it into add token. It should give you your ticker as well as your symbol. If it doesn't, feel free to add that to your leisure. Sometimes they don't always show up. And it should automatically show up in the overview. We're going to use one more example. For some reason I had a brain fart and thought MetaMask had a token. Obviously they don't. So we're going to use VeChain in this example. I know they mainnetted, but we're just going to use them in this instance. So go back over to Etherscan, type in VeChain on the top right hand side. It should say token contract. Once again, copy that, bring it back to your MEW wallet, and add it into the plus icon, add token, ticker, symbol should be there. It should show up in your overview, and now you can view your tokens. Thank you guys so much for checking out the video today. Look forward to seeing you in the next one, and take it easy.